The sounds of slot machines are designed to create an exciting and stimulating environment. One of the most common sounds heard is the clinking of coins, which is associated with winning and can create a sense of pleasure and reward in the brain. Additionally, the sound of spinning reels generates anticipation and excitement as players await the symbols that will land on the pay line. The use of sound in slot machines is not just about creating a particular atmosphere or mood, it can also influence our behavior and decision-making. For example, the sound of a winning spin can create a sense of pleasure and reward in the brain, encouraging players to keep going in the hopes of winning again.